Have you ever watched a movie where the main character is living like a zombie, just sitting in a couch for 2 hours and doing nothing with their life? No real interaction, no dreams to follow, no skills, no obsession, just living like an ordinary person just like you. And honestly, answer me, would you really watch that movie? Absolutely not. You would skip it within a minute after realizing all these things about the character. But what about your life? Who do you think you are in your own story? A person or a character? Everyone is the main character of the story, but they follow their routine like an ordinary person. They have dreams, but they give up when things get hard. You want to build your body and remove insecurities, but you still choose to stay at home. You want to get better at conversation, but you don't even try to talk to anyone outside. You want to focus, but you get easily distracted by that one notification. Now tell me who you are, a person or a character? I think you already know the answer. So let's dive deeper into it. Becoming a protagonist doesn't mean you have to dress well or look good. Today, anyone can have great sense of style. Everyone knows what to wear and which perfume to use. And this is not only you need to become a protagonist. When you face failure in anything, it could be anything, okay? Then what's the last thought that comes to your mind? Maybe I should stop trying. Or this is not meant for me. I should try something else. Then you find something new, easy for yourself again, just like before. And when that also stop giving you hope and result, you let it go again. As usual. And this is just one example. I can give you 10 more why. You are just a person, not a protagonist. But what about the point of life? You have to find yourself where you are lacking. Why do you need someone else? Someone like me to point out your weakness. Only few people will do it for you, like your teacher or parents. But my point is, I know somewhere you have potential. You can find out why and where you are stuck. You can fix it by thinking for yourself. You have that ability. You are not a zombie. You can think, you can plan, you can do anything, but you choose not to, and that's the problem. Even after hearing all this, if you still choose to stay average, if you still spend your day like that movie character I mentioned before, if you don't want to be skipped like a boring movie or ignored by someone you love, then choose to do what you have been avoiding just because you are afraid of it. Live like a protagonist, no matter what problem comes into your life. How sick you are, how depressed you feel, you still choose to move forward. And that's the rule to become an extraordinary person. And just by doing this, you will get ahead of most of the people. This is your life, and the life you are living is your script. And the person who writes it is also you. So give your character a better script.